Morning, and welcome back to the Porsche 924. So today, as I previously said, we're going to do the 5 things that I need to do on this Porsche. There's more than 5 things that I need to do on this Porsche, but I need to start making a list of things that I need to do because the list is getting longer as the days go on. So, number 1 is, do I or do I not replace this dashboard? Because, I mean, there's cracks, and there's more cracks. So, do I repair or replace? Because, or do I just leave and just embrace that it is what it is? Please comment down below what you would do if it was yours. Would you do one of them? So yeah, so that's the first thing that I need to repair on this. Probably not the most important. The second thing I need to repair is here. So I've got these panels, the panel that goes on here, and I've got the sun visor for the driver's side and that, but I'm not sure if I've got the side bit, and I'm not sure I've got the back bit that goes across, so I'm trying to source them at the moment. This is all good. So job number 2 of the making the 924 great again is fixing that, because inside I've got all of the carpet to go back in and that. Job number 3 is I need to this is getting better. Look, you can see how stiff it is side to side. So back and forth, absolutely fine. And that. So I need to go below there, grease it all up, I'm thinking, and sort that out so it's a smoother gear change. I mean, it goes into gears all fine, it's absolutely fine. It's just, I think it's the linkage. So that's job number 3 that needs to be done. But we're gonna have to go outside and under the bonnet to look at job 4 and 5. So let's go. So job 4 that I need to do is get this running nicely. It runs nicely, and that's warming up. Cold start unit, so or cold start valve or the like. So that needs to come off and be rebuilt. So that's job number 4 on the list of jobs that we need to do. Oh, and then make this all look pretty and that. But she runs sweet as a nut when warmed up, or once it's running. And job number 5, bodywork. Like broken bit there, bodywork under here. As we go round, we see bits and bobs and that. So yeah. So that's the 5 first 5 jobs probably that I need to start doing on the 924. So I'm going to consult my Haynes manual on what to do on the cold start unit, cold start valve, the like, so I can get that running, among also sorting out the wipers that don't currently work, did work, the blower that doesn't work, and yeah, so get it so I can use it more. I know it's a bit tatty around the edges right now, but I think the more I use her, the more she'll get better. I don't want to just leave her parked up whilst all these jobs are getting done, because at the end of the day it's a project Porsche, and so she needs to be used. So but yeah, please like, comment and subscribe, and tell me what you're looking forward to doing on your projects, on your Porsches, and what you think will make the biggest difference to mine. And I will see you next time. Cheers.